Hey, it's your girl Yana. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little surprise for y'all. I did some color, and by the way, yes, it's a wig. I got so many compliments off this hair. People thought it was my real hair. People thought I dyed my hair for real. And let y'all on a little secret. It's a glueless install. Information to this hair will be linked in the description box below. And no, it's not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. Let's get into the video.
Wow, whoa, oh.
I didn't really show the box. It was pretty beat up. It was beat up. Trust me. You're gonna be like, oh wow. This is a little scrunchy. And then they gave me 2 wig caps and a little elastic band. I didn't know it was gonna be a T-part wig. It didn't describe it as a T-part wig, but it has 4 combs. It has adjustable hooks in the back. Here's the lace on me. It said it was pre-plucked, but I mean, I'm gonna attempt to go back in. This is my first time doing this. She's stiff, y'all. She is stiff. I'm gonna fix it. I cut the lace off camera due to the fact that I wasn't cutting it on me. I didn't want to nick myself. And now I'm just going in with mousse, and pretty much I'm just be going in with mousse and water throughout my whole hair. And right now I'm just gonna do the edges. I was struggling for what? I just went back and cut it and made baby hairs pretty much. I'm gonna finish the process off camera because they was not swooping right and I was getting mad, and I don't want y'all to see me get mad. So this is the band people be using when they glue down their wigs or whatever, but I want my edges to stick to my forehead pretty much, so that's what I'm doing. And this is a different elastic band than the one it came in. Like the wig itself, it came with elastic band, but it's not the same band. This one's longer. So like I said earlier, I'm gonna be drenching the hair in water and mousse pretty much. And I did run a detangler brush, as you can see through the hair. So you see me here, I'm scrunching the hair. Is that the word? I'm just trying to make it look like how much I paid for it. It wasn't that much money, but still, I paid out of my pocket. I'm gonna make it look good no matter what. Now I take out these hair clips and I'm finna just get the top right. You know, you see how the top is kind of poofy and not like the rest of the hair? Yeah, I'm finna get it right. how to explain what I'm doing here. It's like I'm putting my finger under the hair and making like a hump or something like that. I don't know how to explain this, but I like it like that. It looks cute. So I went in with more water. I should have just dumped my head in like a bowl of water at this point, because girl. So now we take off the band, and I had it too tight, so my skin looking kind of wrinkly, but it actually looks cute when I fix it up right. Next, I go in with this concealer. It's Fawn, and I'm just going over my part. That's the end of this video. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay,